Yeah, do it, switch. Oh, that was sick! All right, guys, we're here today with
Sawyer.
And he is gonna show us 10 of his most favorite tricks and walk us through. But first I wanna know, how did you get into this style of skateboarding and where did it come from?
I got into this style of skating because when I was younger, I played a lot of soccer. And so to me, I was always doing stuff like with my feet. And so skating felt like a very natural transition for me from like going from one sport to the other. And so when I started skating, I wanted to have like some sort of soccer element still involved in it. And so to me, the best way to do that was through like kind of a freestyle hybrid of skating, where like it wasn't fully street, it wasn't fully freestyle, but like you're kind of getting the best of both worlds.
And you can make the most basic flat ground tricks look so good, which I think is awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you loose. Do 10 tricks, walk us through it as best you can. Like half tutorial style, half the tricks.
Yeah, when I think about it more, like I kind of want to show you guys how it progresses and how it builds. I think I can try to knock out 10 and like kind of build them up, and I have a couple ideas where I can show you guys like one combo that builds into the other, so you can really see how like the simpler pieces become more complicated.
All right, let's run it. Start from easy to hard.
So first one I'm thinking is like a backside revert, fakie front shove revert.
Say what?
I'll start slow and then I'll do it faster.
Backside revert, fakie front shove revert.
Yeah, so start out like this, boom.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. And then you can start speeding it up.
Wow. That is so hard. You don't get dizzy, you lose your board. That's definitely footwork action. Okay, I see how it kind of flows though a little bit.
Yeah, and kind of like, you've been skating for a solid few years, yeah. I mean, I think a tip that you would be able to grasp really easily is you kind of have to stomp each truck into the ground as you do it.
Oh.
So you have to like hit like boom, 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 instead of like an actual slide.
Yeah, because I want to go like that. Okay. I'm not trying to learn all these. I don't know why I'm doing this.
That's like our starting point. And so from there, it's like when you have a combo like that, you can take it so many different ways. And so for this one, to keep it like still pretty simple, like let's just add one more thing on the end. And so I'm thinking we're gonna do the same thing, backside revert, fakie front shove revert, and then just a back 180 after.
And the way he did the back 180, Derek, like he wasn't even walking, like he wasn't even trying, like he wasn't even breathing. What in the God's name?
That one was better. We'll take that.
Boom.
Let's go, Aaron.
Let's try.
So right now it's still like relatively simple. I think at this point we can start trying to make it more complicated. And again, you can get complicated by just adding one thing at a time. It doesn't take a lot to make these more difficult. And so I'm thinking, you know how you skate, you do a lot of manuals. And so I'm thinking we can incorporate a manual into this. A very short manual. So same starting thing, backside revert, fakie front shove, revert, and then let's try back 180, fakie mani, fakie front shove.
Whoa, that's gnarly. Okay, I like it. I like it.
This one might take a few.
Yeah. Yeah.
Should we just go another one out of it?
If you want.
Sometimes that happens. You just have to improvise because your weight's off balance.
It's like your weight gets a little off balance, just do a shove. Just do another shove or 180. No big deal. Said no one ever.
Ooh.
That was good.
All right, we got one. I got some preset ones, or you could like make one for me.
Preset? Like what's it mean, a preset?
I'd say like ones I've been doing for a few years, so like I kind of remember them.
Yeah, I want to see a preset one.
Okay, yeah.
And then I'll get an idea, and then I'll give you one.
Okay, I like that.
So you do a body varial, then turn.
Oh yeah,
I
forgot to explain it, yeah. Okay, so the next one, I'm not gonna start the way I did with the last one where I like break it down, because this one I've been doing forever. So I just wanna show you guys. I do like a body varial, front side, and then fakie front side revert, and then backside power slide, and then fakie front 180 revert.
If anybody followed that at all, leave it in the comments below.
I got one more thing. Might not be necessary, but the cool part about this combo that I like is that the fakie frontside revert to the backside power slide alludes to what's coming next.
Okay. Okay, what I want to see first before we get into like more crazy combos is I just want you to break down, like, do a switch back 180. Actually, even start with just a switch ollie and stylish.
Yeah.
And then tell them how do you do that? Start with a switch ollie, then we'll go switch back 180, and then we'll go switch back 180 combo.
I like that.
Yeah.
Got you. Okay, I'll show you guys.
Can you explain it? Because I cannot do a switch ollie like this.
So when I switch ollie, I take inspiration from Kenny Reed. He did this one over this handrail like back in the day, and it floats all around Instagram like pretty much every year. And so you'll end up seeing it if you skate enough. He tweaks both of his, like, you can help me out with the explanation here,
Both
but he
of his feet kind of like,
yeah, he kind of tweaks both his feet in like that, like an inwards tweak. And the reason I love doing it this way is because, like, although it is like a bit artificial in terms of like how you style it, it makes getting high a lot easier. Like getting off the ground with this type of ollie is a lot simpler and it takes a lot less effort.
So you learned it by watching him.
Yeah.
By watching that clip. Okay, that's awesome. See, I think you can learn a lot by just watching skateboarding, especially in slow-mo. That's why I like to post these clips.
I mean, I'm an Instagram kid. That's my generation. Hey, run it back. We tic-tacked on that.
He's got to run it back. Yeah, that was terrible. That was garbage. Yeah.
Nollie 2.
So now he's gonna take that switch ollie and he's gonna do switch backside 180. So do you do like full ollie in the air then turn? Like, how do you think about it?
I hope this makes sense. I think of it like a fakie frontside 180. So the switch ollie, and then I feel like I'm doing a frontside 180 in the air.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like if I do it, it'll make a bit more sense too, because I'm rotating all with like this foot, the popping foot. Because fakie front 180, it's like this to me.
Yeah.
And then switch back one.
What in the world? My brain cannot compute what just occurred. Okay, do the switch back 180. That was sick! Okay, so now we're gonna do switch back 180. You're gonna land, you're gonna do a nollie shove it, and then a regular back 180.
I like that.
Combo kingdom.
Switch back one.
Yeah.
And if I get that, we can add a little revert on the ends.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe it's easier to do a front 180 at the end.
I feel like with any combo, it's always like you have to like trust your instinct.
Yeah.
Once I memorize it, it'll like click.
Yeah.
But it's hard to memorize, always.
It's interesting because like the way your shoulders are turning and then you have to stop and then you have to go and pivot and then go the other way. It's interesting, you have to think about how it would flow. Yeah.
Love those.
We gotta learn the 180s like this, Gabe. Yeah, that was it, that was sick.
Got a little extra in there?
Yeah.
There's one trick that I want to see utilized correctly and not in the way that Aaron and I do it.
Uh-oh.
Some form of shove revert.
Okay.
Show him a proper shove revert. I think I saw you do this earlier. I don't think he saw it. You know
A proper shove revert? Like the Stevie Williams?
Yes.
I got that switch only.
Yeah, do it switch. Yeah, we slide, okay? Oh. Yeah, see?
But let's get the Stevie Williams one. Dude, I learned this like a week ago in Miami.
Really?
Well, that was just a steezy switch shove. Oh! Ooh, dusted. Ooh.
That's how we should play games of skate.
Yeah, that was it.
That was close.
Yeah. Wow, sick.
Dude, I think that's better than I did it the first time.
Yeah, it looks really good. How do you think about that? You like catch it a certain way with your feet and then turn?
Honestly, I don't know, so I'll be able to find out.
Sheesh. I feel like I need one more combo. We said at the beginning of the video we were doing 10. I feel like we might have hit 10 already. Maybe not. Maybe we so, maybe not. Switch, tray flip, and then do the shove it thing. Is that what you were working on earlier?
No, that was on accident.
Oh, but
sometimes, like when I lose my balance, I try to just shove out of tricks because it looks like you were doing it on purpose. But I definitely was not. But I like that. I like where you're going with that. I think I have an idea for a switch tray combo. I just got another random combo idea too.
Oh yeah.
Because it has a Manny in it. I'm thinking back 180 revert and then backside revert and then fakie ollie into a fakie Manny and then do something out. And honestly, I'm just gonna see how it feels in the moment and see what I do out of the trick. So be a surprise. Start like this.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add a bit.
First try.
We're gonna add a bit. We're gonna speed it up. Ooh. Okay, I have an idea.
Yeah.
And then I'm thinking like at that last part, and then last pivot. Yeah.
Yeah. Next level.
Rebate. What next? I have an idea for, we do that for the nollie. The nollie front one, same idea, and then nollie front one revert.
Yeah.
I think that's a fun one. Just some nollies.
Yep.
Rebate.
Rebate. Yeah.
And then add a revert. So it's kind of like a shifty. Brian Peacock did a similar variation.
Wow. Yeah. That's cool.
I can clean it up. That was like good, but I think I can make it look really good.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll take it.
All right, that was awesome. Thank you very much. If you guys want to see more of John skating, follow him on his Instagram.
_John Sawyer.
At _John Sawyer. Go check it out, guys. He has some amazing stuff. You'll absolutely love it. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.